Hey everyone, I just wanted to say hi and thank everybody for all the prayers and just awesome comments you've been leaving me on Instagram and Facebook and on my YouTube community chat. And just wanted to give you kind of an update. What's going on with me? Hopefully I could keep this under like 10 minutes, but just wanted to kind of explain what's going on. And I've just been laying here in my room. I'm actually here on my bed, and that's where I've been staying for the last 3 weeks. And I kind of set up a little table, show you what I've been doing in here to keep my mind occupied here. Working on like the X Max here. There's the front end. I got the rear end down there, and then the centerpiece here and all the old parts. I'm basically replaced all the chassis, all the bottom half. I did all the electronics. The only one I didn't replace is the center. Sorry about my feet being in there. But anyways, I didn't replace the center because it was still good and I got all my electronics in there. But just replacing it with the box full of parts. Just wanted to rebuild it. Gives me something to kind of keep my mind occupied and not hitting a deep depression, because it's depressing. I've dealt with the clotting condition for quite a few years now. They had me on a blood thinner called warfarin. It failed. I got several blood clots from it. And I'm on Xarelto, and that's supposed to be the strongest they have. There's actually not even a reversal for if you cut yourself. They can't just give you a vitamin K shot like the warfarin and then thicken your blood. It actually takes 24 hours to get your blood to thicken back up. So you're pretty much out of luck if you get a severe cut or anything. It's just going to bleed. But obviously, sorry, I'm running out of breath. Anyways, that it's failed on me, this Xarelto. So I ended up getting a clot towards the center right side of my lung. And doctors keep saying they don't know how I keep lucking out, because it's going to be one of these times it's going to just go in the wrong spot and I'm not going to be able to breathe. And so it is a scary thing. So that's just wanted to come on here and explain what was going on. I know it's nobody's business, but there's so many of you guys that follow me. And then I got family and friends that, I just love all you guys to death, and I appreciate all the support. And like I said, I'm just keeping myself busy here in my room. I'm got the table set up where I'm actually in my bed. This is my bed right here. And since I'm not feeling good, I go and work on something for a minute, lay back down, like I said, to keep my mind off of things. So this is kind of nice to have this set up. And and I've been wanting to work on the X Max for several months now. I just never got around to it. Now it's given me an opportunity to do that. Since it's hard for me I can't film right now because I can't talk long enough without running out of breath. So that's why in a lot of my videos I couldn't figure out why I was breathing so hard. I even had people leaving me, you get trolls on there, dude, you're breathing, and I started realizing, wow, I am breathing heavy in here. I wonder, it started kind of worrying me, and I just was having chest pains. Before that, I was having pains in my calf, my left calf, and that's where I had blood clots before, and I'm thinking one must have formed there. Since I've had my back injury, I haven't been very active. I don't work out anymore since I've been struggling with the herniated disc in my neck and back. And I think I built a blood clot, not moving around, and then it broke off, went into my lungs. So, but anyways, guys, I thank you guys so much for everything. I got a lot of stuff to do. I got this eRevo 2.0. I've been wanting to kind of surprise and come on the, channel with. Got an awesome T-bone racing jump I haven't even got to use. There's so much stuff I want to do. I even have, what's that little truck up there from Maker Fire. I got a bunch of drones that, I don't know where I think I got them in the closet, but got a bunch of drones that need to be reviewed. So all that stuff's just going to have to be put on hold for now until I can get around better. Right now I'm trying to save up the energy because I'm gonna have my kids over for spring break, and I want to have a good visit with them as well. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for all your support and the prayers once again. Thank you. I did get the COVID test. It was negative. For a while there, they thought I had COVID, but thank God that I didn't have that on top of the blood clot. But because COVID is known to cause blood clots, but my test came out negative, so that's really good news. So I was always worried about my family when I got so sick. I thought, oh no. I stayed isolated in a room for a couple weeks, and I went 2 weeks, almost 3 weeks before I even went to the hospital. I just thought I was sick, So I tell you, if you guys ever have sharp pains in your leg or in your chest, you get a pinching. When you go to take a breath, it hurts, and or even if you're coughing blood up or anything like that, just go to the hospital right away. Get checked out because, I was getting blood clots at the age of 31, and I'm 44 now, so it can happen to anybody at any time. So I had a friend that passed away several years now, and she was young. She was in her early 30s. Hers was caused from having a baby, and a week later she passed away. So that's why I'm so lucky, because usually once a blood clot breaks off from your leg, goes into your lung, it stops your breathing, you're gone. There's no way a doctor can save you. They don't have the technology at this moment. Once it goes in your lung, you drowned, and the major one I had before this one, I was in the hospital for a month. It almost killed me. I was so lucky. And this one, small enough on this one that it's just causing difficult breathing, fatigue. I'm just constantly sleeping. I don't feel good. So just get checked out, guys. Be safe out there. Of course, still, take precaution, wear your mask because of COVID and stuff like that. But just try to be safe out there. Enjoy your family, your friends, and don't take life for granted. All right? Okay, guys. Thanks again. Love you guys. God bless. Talk to you again.